And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. TVJ Sports can report that Jamaica's world under-20 double sprint gold medalist Briana Williams will face an anti-doping disciplinary hearing in the coming weeks after testing positive for the banned diuretic hydrochlorothiazide. Briana has the details.
TVJ Sports sources on Tuesday confirmed that Briana Williams' B sample has confirmed the A sample as being positive for the banned diuretic hydrochlorothiazide. Both those samples were tested at the WADA-accredited lab in Montreal, Canada. Hydrochlorothiazide is a diuretic used by some athletes to lose weight or mask the use of anabolic steroids. Pending a disciplinary hearing, Williams, who clocked a yet-to-be-ratified national junior record of 10.94 seconds to place third in the 100 meters at the National Senior Trials, could now miss the IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar, between September 27 and October 7. Contacted by TVJ Sports Tuesday afternoon, Canadian-based sports attorney Dr. Emir Crown confirmed he had been retained to represent young Williams in the case, but expressed disappointment that details of her case was in the public domain.
This is one of those matters that, because we're dealing with a minor and because there was no, at least, communication to the athlete about the B sample, that the very public revealing of her adverse A sample finding, that shouldn't have been released till at least there was a positive confirmation of the B sample. And again, we're dealing with a minor here. It wouldn't have been anyone's preference for her name to be bandied about before there was any such public finding, at least with respect to her B sample.
When contacted by telephone Tuesday morning, Alexander Williams, who chairs the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, declined comment on any doping matter. Crown intends to argue that the banned substance was contained in a contaminated over-the-counter medication for a cold and flu, which was declared on her doping control form.
I can confirm that we have done independent tests on and over-the-counter cold medication that the athlete took. And the independent test confirmed the presence of a diuretic, and the diuretic was not listed amongst the ingredients in that cold medicine.
It is understood that the matter will now be heard by the local independent anti-doping disciplinary panel. Under the World Anti-Doping Agency and IAAF rules, the athlete is facing the possibility of a maximum 4-year ban for a first offense if she is found guilty.
It is genuinely a case where she bears, I would suggest, no fault at all in the situation for something that was beyond her control, but beyond anyone's control, really. There was no way to know that a diuretic would find its way into over-the-counter cold medicine.
Briana reporting for TVJ Sports.